This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have 2 columns of values. Start now by selecting the first result cell in column C. Type an equals sign, click the first cell in column A, type an asterisk, then click the matching cell in column B. Once done, press Enter to confirm the formula and verify a correct product appears. Make sure your references are the exact cells you intend. Absolute references come later. This first formula establishes the pattern X cell will copy down. Now you need to propagate that multiplication down the column. Hover the fill handle at the lower right corner of the result cell until the cursor becomes a plus. Then double-click to autofill down to the last populated row in the adjacent column. If you're multiplying every row by a fixed cell, edit the original formula to use absolute references like $B$1 so the multiplier stays constant. Press Enter, and then use the fill handle again. This keeps formula. Finish by reviewing results for errors and locking values if required. If you see hash value, inspect cells for stray text, convert them to numbers, or use value to coerce. Once values look right, select the result column, copy, then paste special values to replace formulas with numbers if you want fixed outcomes. Make sure to save a backup before mass changes. If autofill stops early, ensure there are no blank rows in the adjacent column. Fill or remove them and repeat the autofill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.